Imagine a world where design is not just faster but smarter, where AI seamlessly blends with your creativity, turning your ideas into polished interfaces with just a few clicks. Welcome to Motiff, the design tool that makes this vision a reality. With Motiff, the repetitive becomes effortless and your creative flow stays uninterrupted, thanks to AI-driven features that works right alongside you. Motiff takes everything you love about design tools like Figma and adds a layer of innovation with its AI capabilities. Today, I will guide you through the interface, explore some of its unique features, and show you why Motiff is making waves in the design world. Let's dive in and see how Motiff can reshape the way you design. Alright, once you download and install the Motiff desktop app, you will see an interface that feels very familiar, much like Figma. And if you prefer working in a browser, you can use it there too. On the home screen, you will find sections for your recent projects, drafts files, and theme projects, similar to what you might be used to in other tools. Plus, you can easily import files from Figma or Sketch, making it simple to transition your work. When you click on the new file, you will enter the editor interface. Again, here you will see the interface similar to Figma recent interface, which was, I think, UI2. On the top left, you will find some tools like the frame, shape tools, text, and there are some plugins, but limited for now. Obviously, they will aid more in the future, but there are some amazing AI tools that we will be going to talk about today. On the top right, you can share your project, can preview your prototype. On the left side, you will find the layer panel and the assets panel. On the right side, you will find the style panel or properties panel, where you can find all the options to stylize your elements. So let me explain these AI features one by one. We will open the playground file that we can find on the home screen. With the help of this file, we can learn those features easily. So here they have explained each AI tool in very detail. So let's jump to the first one, which is AI reduplication, and see how it can help us. So you can see I have a card here, and I want to create some more for other people. So I don't need to create others manually because AI reduplication tool can help us with that. Select and you will see an arrow under the card. Just drag that in any direction. It will create multiple copies. It will take a few seconds and will create multiple copies for you. But the magical thing is it will not only create the cards, but will replace the content inside like images, titles, and text, etc. Similarly, here are some more cards that we can practice on. For example, this one. So select the AI reduplication tool and drag that arrow. It will create more cards, and the best thing is it will understand and replace the similar data inside, which is amazing. Here is another card. Let's create some more copies of this by using the reduplication tool. Perfect. But now I will definitely want to try to create my own card. Then I will duplicate it. So we will create a rectangle-like shape. Should be pure white, and we'll apply some corner radius. Then we will select the text tool. We'll write here the name, for example, Mark William. Left align. I will make it bold and 24 pixel. Then we will write a short sentence, something like, I'm a professional UI UX designer. I will make it a regular and a bit gray and 20 pixels. The next thing that we are going to add in this card is the image. So we will create a circle here. And for the image, there is a plugin of Unsplash Images. So from here, we can insert the random portraits. Let me adjust the spacing, then group all the elements, right click and frame selection. Then we will select the AI reduplication and will drag it for multiple copies of these cards. You can see it creating the same copies but also the same random data, different images, different names and different fields. So remove it and let's jump to the next one. AI layout. So it has basically two parts: AI build temporary structure and AI auto layout, which you can see in the toolbox tab. Let's take a look at both. So for example, here in this card, I want to add some more text and I don't want to affect the other elements and their spacing. For that, we will select AI build temporary structure tool. Let's suppose we will copy that bigger paragraph text and paste it here. You can see it adjusting the card size itself with the text and pushing other elements without affecting them, which is great. The other part is AI auto layout. Let's try it also. So here is a simple card which is created in a frame and every element is placed randomly. But I want to make this card in the auto layout format to adjust the spacing, consistency and responsiveness, etc. So I will not need to create it again and add auto layout on each element. We will just apply AI auto layout. So you can see we can adjust the spacing and can control all the elements easily. Here is another card where we can also apply the AI auto layout and can easily control all the elements inside the card. Perfect. AI generates UI. It is another great AI tool which is my favorite. So basically with this feature, you can simply input a text prompt describing what kind of UI you need and the AI generates a complete layout for you. It can create entire screens including buttons, forms and navigation elements based on your description. Let's try it. Select AI generate UI. It will open a window where we can type our prompt. Let's say create a music app. But I always say AI creation depends on your prompt. The better your prompt, the better the result will be. It will take a few seconds and will generate 2 complete pages for you to choose from. Here it is. So it has created 2 beautiful page layouts for now. But it is not only the layout, but we can edit every element for our requirement, which is nice. Now let's delete these screens and try on a detailed prompt which I generated in ChatGPT and copy it to the clipboard. And it is for the productivity app. Click on generate. Here it is. You can see it has added all the necessary information inside and everything is completely editable. But you can also generate more screens like I need a screen, create a note page screen, hit generate where a user can save some notes. Oops, it's jumping there. I think there was not enough space. So you can generate multiple screens like this. AI Magic Box is another great tool that allows you to create specific design elements by simply driving a box and providing a text prompt. Let me show you how it works. We have this blank screen where we will create the same layout as on the left, but by using AI Magic Box, not manually. So simply draw a box. It will suggest some of the design elements that you can directly insert, but you can search also. Let's say menu and podcast. And here it is the same thing. And you can edit it easily. Then we need a search bar. Again, draw a box and search for a search bar. Here it is. Now we need a music list, but this time try something different, like we need a video preview also. So search for it. This is fine. So to make it a list, we can use AI reduplication again, create multiple copies. It will generate other video music cards for you. It's perfect for quickly adding UI elements without needing to design them from scratch, giving you the power to bring your ideas to life with just a few words. This tool is all about speeding up the design process while keeping your creativity at your fingertips. Let's talk about AI design system. The first one is AI Design System Creator. It simplifies the process of building a consistent design system. It uses AI to automatically generate design elements like buttons, color palettes, typography, and component libraries based on your input. So we will also check it quickly. We will import our Figma file, which is the previous video design file. Hit import. It's added and we will open it. So let's apply AI Design System Creator only on this, and it's very limited design, but let's see what we can get after recognizing. It will take a few seconds. Yes, they detected some layers in the design. Let's view what we get. So you can see AI created an entire file where you can see different pages. The first one is for the colors, where we can find all the colors that are used in the design. But the interesting thing is we can directly inspect it by clicking the small search icon, like the purple color is used here. Similarly, this light gray color is used in the entire background. The next page is for typography, where we can see a list created by AI for all the text styles used in the design. It also shows how many times the specific element is used. So this title is one time used. Also, we can see the sizes, the text weights, etc. The next page is for the icons, where we can see all the used icons and their properties. So definitely this AI tool can help us in every project. The next one is AI Design System Maintainer. It helps keep your design system updated and consistent by automatically detecting changes or new component and suggesting adjustment. It ensures that any update align with existing design pattern, saving time on manual checks and maintaining visual harmony throughout your project. So for example, I am again going to check this project by AI Design System Maintainer. We will wait for a few seconds. Great, it detected 42K layers. Let's view the result. Okay, it suggested a consistent design system for us that we can definitely consider. Above here, you will see a complete design system, which includes typography, colors, icons, and much more. So it was also a very great feature that can make our progress faster. Let's jump to the last one, which is AI Consistency Checker. It ensures that your design stay visually consistent by automatically scanning for any style mismatch, spacing errors, or deviation from your design system. It identifies these issues in real time, helping you quickly correct any inconsistencies before they become a problem. This feature is particularly useful for maintaining a polished look throughout your project, ensuring that every element aligns with your design standard. Let's try it also. So in this file, we have 74 components and 35 styles. Start. It will check all these components and styles. So it detected some text unused, same properties, some unused colors, and some components. Replace all four, and there are not any text consistency issue left. So as you can see, Motiff brings a lot to the table for designers, especially with its powerful AI features that makes design smarter and faster. If you're looking for a design tool that combines AI innovation with familiar interface, give Motiff a try. It's perfect for both seasoned designers and those just starting out. Thanks for watching, and I hope this deep dive into Motiff has been helpful. And as always, I would like to hear your thoughts in the comments. What features of Motiff are you most excited about? Let's chat about it below. Until next time, keep designing, stay creative, and I will catch you in the next video.